2 months ago, I bought this Mitsubishi GTO twin turbo that was abandoned at the back of this shop. And today, we're finally gonna move it. Now that the Bobcat is actually working just enough for it to move out the way, I'm clearing this path so that when the truck comes to pick it up, it should be okay. I also had to change the tire because this wheel was literally in the ground and the tire was just, it was gone. Thankfully, I got some tires in the right size that I could just throw on for the time being.
This one you got.
I was honestly worried that it would snag on one of the trees or the cars, but it went fairly, it actually went well.
Once we get our whip out, we can turn the steering wheel. Yeah. Then we guide it up better. Or you can turn forward if you want.
Drag it.
Fairy godmother flying away.
Checked the under chassis. It didn't look too bad, just a little surface rust from the moisture, I suppose, but nothing too concerning as of yet. Surreal to actually see the car leave from where it was. It was literally being taken under from the trees and just the shrubs and stuff around it. This is the temporary location I have until I'm ready to ship it out. Can start to work on it, clean it up a little bit. Just get it ready for the next coming weeks. But yeah, I'm just glad it's actually here after such a long wait. Not sure how to structure the videos, but this is the start of whatever this will be.